बच्चों को जानकारी देना नहीं बल्कि उन्हें सोचना सिखाना है। उन पर दबाव डालकर उन्हें रटवाना क्या पढ़ाने का सही तरीका है? Yet today, we stand at a critical juncture where the future of our youths are being determined not only by our schools and universities, but also by the burgeoning industry of coaching institutions. These institutions have become the lifeline for millions of students aspiring to excel in competitive examinations. Yet, we must confront an unsettling truth. The lack of an effective and regulatory framework is putting the lives of our students at risk. Let's take for an example the tragic story of Khushbu Meena, a young and a bright girl who succumbed to immense pressure, driven to take her own life. Why exactly? Just because she couldn't score more than 95% in her board examinations. This is not just an isolated incident. In Kota, Rajasthan, the hub of India's coaching institute, there have been numerous suicides attributed to the immense pressure and burden being placed on the students. Just last year, we heard the heartbreaking case of a young girl, Niharika Solanki, who ended her own life. She left behind a note. It described the immense burden she was being placed under by her coaching institutions. ऐसी कितनी जाने जाएगी जिसके पहले हम कोई ठोस कदम उठाएंगे? ऐसे कितने सपने बिखरेंगे जिसके पहले हम कोई रेगुलेशन की मांग करेंगे? इन कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस को ट्रांसपेरेंटली ऑपरेट करना ही पड़ेगा। उन्हें बच्चों के मेंटल हेल्थ का ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा और एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम की तरह काम करना ही पड़ेगा। लेट अस नॉट फॉरगेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ पेरेंट्स इन दिस सिनेरियो. Parents too play a critical role. Driven by the fear of their children falling behind, they often push them to these high-pressure environments. We need to create awareness among parents about the importance of mental health and the balanced growth of their children. We must encourage them to look after the overall development of their child and not just focus solely on academic achievements. Let us not forget the role of mental health counselors in this scenario. These institutions should be mandated to have mental health counselors who can provide guidance and support to these children so that they can cope up with the stress and anxiety associated with these competitive examinations. Let us not turn a blind eye to the suffering of our youth. It is time for the government of India to step in, to create and enforce regulations that hold these institutions accountable for the suicides attempted by our children. मुस्तकाबिल के ख्वाब जो आंखों में सजाए जाते हैं वो बेजान किताबों तले रोंदे जाते हैं। कब तक इन कोचिंग की बेड़ियां हमें सताई रखेगी? अब वक्त आ गया है कि हम इसे सामने लाएंगे। धन्यवाद और जय हिंद।